Okay, so you might have some link lists like this. You just do bettersheets.co, and then you have another line and you go atomicsheets.com, and you're like, these sort of just look lame, right? But we can create really cool buttons in Google Sheets. We just need a 3x3 set of cells to do this. I'm going to show you how to do this, but then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to do this in one click, which is really cool. So let me show you all the parts so you understand what I'm doing, and then you'll see how to do it in one click. All right, you have this link here. This is the sort of text you want. What we're going to do is we're going to surround it by a set of 3x3 cell. Give this a little bit more room here. And what we need to do is we're going to merge the top left 4. You'll see after this you can do any of them. You'll do it in any particular way. We're going to vertically align. We're going to center adjust so that the text is right there in the center. The B and D of this, the ones on the left and the right of that center one, we're going to select both of those. We're going to right click. We're going to say resize selected cell columns. We're going to do this. For this one, we're going to do 20. You'll see why in a second. The top and then the bottom one, not shift, but I'm going to hold command, select both of those, resize selected rows. And I'm also going to put 20 here. The sort of key to this is that these do look symmetrical, that the top and the bottom of that 3-cell thing are the same, and also the right and the left. Okay, I'm going to increase the size of this cell, the C1, the middle one, and the row here, 3, I'm going to increase the size of that. So right now you see that in this sort of, I'll even put a border here just to show you. In this area, we have it looks up and to the left, right? We're going to make it look like there's a background here. So we're going to add this shadow. We're going to add a shadow right here. We're just going to color those 3 cells. And then this cell, we're going to color, let's say, hot pink. And we're going to change that text to white. We're also going to change the font over here to something like, yeah, Consolis is fine. We're going to double the size of that, 20. And hot damn, that is a really cool button because this is a link. We can also do some other things. We can do Command U to take away that underline. We can also make it so it's not such a simple URL here. Maybe it is a name. So we're going to do equals hyperlink. I'm going to make a formula in here. Hyperlink URL is going to be https bettersheets.co. But then in quotes, we're going to put Better Sheets. So we just have a simple word there, Better Sheets, there. We can also add right in front of this, Control Command space, we're going to add a little arrow, and that's going to look really cool, right? We can extend this C column even more. We can make this even bigger. Let's put up to 30. And now we're going to do exactly the same thing we did there, but with a different color for Atomic Sheet. So I want to give it a little bit more space. Row 1, add one above. Same thing, we're going to take those top left 4 cells. We're going to merge them. That's a key here. Vertically align, center adjust. We're going to take 6 and 8. We're going to resize those rows. We're not going to fit the data. We're going to do 20. 20. Then we're going to take, we have B and D already done, so we don't need to do that. But we do want to increase the size of this 7. There. And then we color this, let's say, with hot purple instead of hot pink. Make the text white. Actually, I'm going to copy this and paste format. And we're going to just change the color to purple. We're also going to take this, formula, and paste just the formula alone. And then we're going to change it up. Atomic Sheets. You can get more versions of this at atomicsheets.com. And we're going to do that. And we're going to put the background here. And I'm going to do one last thing before I show you how to do this in one click. Whoops. I'm going to do take away the grid lines. View, show, grid lines. Hot damn, that looks great. We can even put it on a nice little background of gray. Or let's put a little colored green background. And then we just have to color in these little bits here on the top and the bottom left. And it looks pretty cool, right? Yeah. And we can add a third one here if we want. We can even take all of these 3 rows, add space there, paste it in, and it works right away. But let me show you how to get this in one click. So we're going to go up to extensions, add-ons. We're going to get an add-on. We already have it, but I'm going to show you. It's called button styles. And also, if you find the link to this sheet, you'll get a link to it there. But button styles, let's just type it in, and there it is. It's already installed. It's absolutely free. 484 people have already installed it. But I'm going to put a link right here. I'm going to make this hot green. I'm actually going to change this text to black, and we're going to change this to that button styles link right here, so you can just get it right away. Button styles. I'm going to show you how it works super quickly because it's only one click. Styles. You need less one of those. There it is. Button styles. Get it today. Here, all we have to do is take a 3x3 set of cells. We go up to extensions, button cells, show sidebar. I'm going to move my face out of the way. And here we can set the background color. It's going to be black. Let's make it a little bit less than total black. The font color, we do want white, little bit red, because the background color is the color of the where it says better sheets, and the shadow is the bit on the bottom. And we're going to make that bright red. We're going to see how this works, how this looks. We can set this custom style. We can also save it if we want. And so now you see it has the exact same look, and I just did in one click, right? We have some presets here as well. I'm going to take this, let's say 3x3 set of cells, go over to presets. I have neon blue. I have this retro brown style too, right? One click, done. Again, all we need is a 3x3 set of cells. Go get button styles today, free. And now you can write in here, we can change this to text, free, button, actually I should write it up here, button, styles, add on, with one L, not two L's, sorry, button styles, it's free, get it. You can save your custom settings here. So if I close this and I open it back up again, so maybe you have some brand colors, let's see, if I restore custom, okay, so now that saved it. You have to save the custom style first, and if I close it and I open it back up again, there it is. Same colors. Background color can be, let's do hot blue, font color, red, which is crazy, shadow color, deep black. Save that custom style. There it is. Now it's saved. Now if I come back, it'll be that blue. Again, button styles, show sidebar. And there you go. It's totally free. Set your custom style, and you can get help over at Better Sheets. If you're a member today, you probably already know about this. But yeah, check out button styles by Better Sheets.
Watch the latest video from Better Sheets right here. If you haven't watched any other videos on Better Sheets, you are in for a treat. Enjoy.